Speaking of GOAT emojis, I don't think there's really any debate in football, is there, as far as Tom Brady's concerned? Is he the GOAT emoji? I believe so. Mm-hmm. Anyway, it's enough championships. I don't know if there is a GOAT argument. I don't even know who people are putting in it, to be quite honest with you, but I'm not a huge football guy, so bear with me on that. Either way, he just set a record himself. Well, not himself, but one of his cards, a rookie card, just set the record for the most valuable football card. This brings me back to the NFT talk, collectible talk, COVID talk. Somehow, collectibles out of control.
Yeah.
People want to collect things right now.
Uh-huh.
They're just into it, and people are into investing right now. People have been spending time at home, and it's interesting the things people are doing for entertainment. So this particular card was purchased for $1.32 million, which smashed the previous record, which is only around $500,000. Like, smashed it, dude. Almost 3 times the value for this particular card. I'll tell you a little bit more about this card, by the way. It is a playoff contenders championship ticket rookie card, 2000. And you know how they have to do the ranking on the quality of the card, the condition of the card? This is a card with an autograph on it. So there's two separate evaluations that take place. First, the condition of the card, then the condition of the autograph. So in the case of this card, the card itself is an 8 out of 10 for quality. 8 is high, by the way. I know it seems crazy. You're like, how did dock it 2 points? It looks perfect. No, but it's the level of scrutiny they analyze such a thing. And the signature is a 10. They got a perfect signature on it. So these are part of the reasons you get to this record-breaking value. However, this actual record may be short-lived because there's another auction for the exact same card, which is listed at Leland's auction house right now, and it's graded an 8.5 with a signature at a 9. So we'll see. We'll see if it gets beat or not. Either way, like I said, the collectible thing is out of control. The person who bought it had lived in Boston for 10 years, huge Brady fan, and loves collecting cards since he's a kid. He says, given Brady's uncontested status as GOAT, greatest of all time in football, this card is an important piece of sports history and of any collection. I mean, you got to kind of agree with that.
Yeah.
When you're talking about GOAT status, and there's a lot of people with money that are Tom Brady fans. So who knows as far as the investment's concerned.